Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Ms. Madiha David, lecturer in biology at Government Degree College for Women, Kachaku. So in biology today we are going to discuss chapter number 19, growth and development. As an organism survives, it also shows growth. There are different kind of processes. If an organism loses any part of the body, like lizards, they can regenerate them or regain them. So first process is regeneration. It is defined as the ability to regain and recover the injured or lost parts of body is called regeneration. Best example is starfish. Its arms can regenerate. Sponges have great regeneration power. They not only replace the parts lost during injury, but any piece of the body is capable of growing into a complete sponge. Process of regeneration in sponges is slow process, and it may require months or years for complete development. Examples are, if lobsters loses its pincer, that is claw, then a new claw regenerates in its place. You can see claw of lobster. Then comes starfish. If starfish breaks off portions of their arms into pieces till the central disc of starfish is completely devoid of arm is left, this central disc is almost in all cases, and arms in some cases develop into separate individuals like starfish. There are some steps of regeneration of the arms of starfish. Next, they are saying if the head of earthworm is removed, then a new head regenerates in its place. In another animal, salamanders, as you can see in the picture, their limbs regenerate. These limb regeneration in salamanders occurs throughout their lives when amphibians are small and young. You also know that lizards have ability to regenerate their tail. Like tail of amphibians, larvae, lizards, they have regeneration capacity. Lizards can easily discard its tail, but later on the tail can be regenerated by special features of tail. As you can see in the picture, that lizard tail is going through the process of regeneration. Healing of fracture, repair of skin, wounds are example of regeneration. It also occurs in plants. That is, almost any part of plant or even small fragments of plants can develop into completely developed plants. Like a piece of stem, leaf, single tissue may develop into a fully developed plant. A part of stem with few leaves may be taken from many kinds of plants, and when we plant them in soil, they form new plant. Now there are various kind of cells which are specialized for performing different kind of functions. It is called differentiation of cells or specialization of cells. As regeneration is the formation, development of missing organs in an adult animal, so during their formation and development, some immature or embryological processes are repeated as they were present in immature state embryo. The retention of unspecialized, undifferentiated cells, and then there occurs differentiation or specialization of cells. Examples they are giving flatworms and planaria. There are undifferentiated cells which are called neoblasts. They are always present in the body of adults. When these neoblasts are mobilized, activated, they migrate to the site of amputation. Amputation means removal of limb due to some trauma or injury. That is, they differentiate into specialized cell types. In other organisms like salamanders, newts, some specialized tissue cell types in the stump of an amputated limb, they de-differentiate. After an amputation, the bit that lasts or is left beyond a healthy joint is known as stump. Now we will discuss what is the meaning of de-differentiate. That is to become less specialized. Then it proceeds to differentiate or specialize into cells which may be same or of different types. And in last, you can see planaria, flatworms. They can also regenerate their body segments.